Autoimmune hepatitis is inflammation of the liver that occurs when immune cells mistake the liver's normal cells for harmful invaders and attack them. In patients who have an autoimmune disease, the immune system can't tell the difference between healthy body tissue and harmful outside substances. The result is an immune response that destroys normal body tissues. Autoimmune hepatitis symptoms: abdominal distension, dark urine, fatigue, general discomfort, uneasiness or ill feeling, malaise, itching, loss of appetite, nausea or vomiting, pale or clay-colored stools. Autoimmune hepatitis treatment: prednisone or other corticosteroid medications help reduce the inflammation. Azathioprine and 6-mercaptopurine are drugs used to treat other autoimmune disorders. They have been shown to help patients with autoimmune hepatitis as well. Some patients may receive a liver transplant. Autoimmune hepatitis is a common disease, yet every individual needs unique treatment and care. We encourage people with autoimmune hepatitis and their families to learn as much as possible about the latest medical treatment and approaches, as well as healthy lifestyle choices. For more information about autoimmune hepatitis and how to treat autoimmune hepatitis, just click on the link at description or visit www.mainmd.com. Thank you.